What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Gen1 Tuning. Guys, it's been a while that I've done any video. I've been pretty busy at work and basically, guys, with life and all, guys, with TPTs that we do on a day-to-day basis, it's been hard to truly get some momentum going here, guys. But without further ado, it's time to do some work on the Honda Pilot. Actually, I have some issues with our suspension, so I do have all these parts that we'll be installing today. Hopefully we can install all of them today anyways. We got the lower control arms on the bottom, and we have the end links as well on this box right here, and we have some sway bar bushings for the front. So mainly all these things are the front. I believe I only ordered the front at this point. I can't find the parts for the rear, so yeah, I will do the front first because most of the clunking noises that we've been getting is usually on the front of the vehicle, guys. So we are going to work on the front and we'll do the rear at some point in time and see. I don't really see any clanking or movements bouncing up and down on the rear. I mainly notice things in the front. So of course we can eliminate the front issue first and see if we are actually experiencing anything on the back, because sometimes it's really hard to know where it's coming from in the process. But usually I feel it in the front, and usually it's on those little bumps, many small bumps. You can hear that clanking, and as I've shown you in the previous video, the sway bar, when I shake it, the end links are making sound, and also the bushings. So we'll try to tackle that today and see if that will improve our situation here, guys. So anyways, stay tuned. We got our front wheel off now, and I just want to show you guys exactly what we're working with here. We just did the tie rod ends not too long ago, and I'm suspecting that our sway bar here is pretty much loose now, with possibly our bushing needs to be replaced, and obviously our sway bar here is making lots of movements now, so we'll definitely replace this and see. Maybe I'll start off with the sway bar end links, and we'll go from there. It's time to remove the end link. We got a 17 here socket. And buzz it with our air tool here and see if we can get it out at least. Since we're not using this anymore, I'll just put a vice grip in the back there, hold it with the vice grip, and buzz it and see if we can get it out. Alright guys, we finally free up our sway bar end link using a vice grip here, just right at the back, and just to hold it so it doesn't come off. And yeah, it's all good to go. So replace it with a new one. Well, time to open up our packages, guys. See what we have here. I pretty much purchased everything here from Amazon, and there are some vendors from Amazon that sells a lot of these parts these days. So I've been pretty much buying things from there. This is probably our sway bar end link. Yeah, we got one here, and looks pretty good. And we got the rear end links as well. Yeah, actually I did end up buying the rear as well, just in case I need to replace them. So the rears as well to do, possibly not in this video, at some point in time. And so we got that. We got the other side here, and of course we got our bushing that we'll be needing for the front sway bar. It's a MOG bushing that we'll be needing there. And both of these products are the control arms. Guys, here's our parts. Now we're gonna install it. Time to put our new end link. Let's give this a quick wipe as well and scrub. Clean the surface a little bit. It's a clean surface to work with, guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we pretty much fastened the end links now, nice and solid. Basically what I've done is I have my wrench over here and the Allen key to pretty much just support it so it doesn't turn, and crank this baby as much as you can here. Good there. Should be tight. Bottom is fastened as much as we can, and that should be good from there. It's really hard to do a torque and put the proper torque on here because you need to put your Allen key in here, so you don't have the way to pretty much do it. So just tighten it as much as you can. That should be fine right there. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. And I'll probably go for a test drive and see if the clunking sound is gone. And so if it is gone, then obviously just an issue on the end links. But if we still get the clanking in the process, then we'll just eliminate one part at a time. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, folks, it's technically an elimination process. I just took the car out for a test drive, which we've done the end links basically, but it's still having a slight clunk. Now that we have done the end links, we could probably work on the other parts that we need to install in the process here, but I probably will do it tomorrow because it's I have to do some other things here. But anyways, at least the end links has been installed, and it seemed like it actually reduced the clanking, but there's still some movements that I could feel when I go over a track or something like that, or a bump. So we will definitely continue and upgrade the bushing for the front sway bar, and at the same time we're probably gonna do the lower control arms as well in the process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Possibly tomorrow we'll do this, or in the next video or so.